In a small town nestled between rolling hills and whispering streams, lived a young woman named Maya. Despite the picturesque surroundings, Maya felt a void within her, a longing for something deeper, something more meaningful. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the town, Maya decided it was time to embark on a quest to discover the true purpose of her life. Maya set out on a journey into the unknown, leaving behind the familiar comforts of her everyday life. Along the way, she encountered challenges and uncertainties. But each obstacle was a stepping stone guiding her towards self-discovery. During her journey, Maya encountered wise mentors and forged deep connections with fellow travelers. These mentors imparted valuable lessons, encouraging her to explore her passions, embrace her strengths, and learn from her mistakes. As Maya delved deeper into self-reflection, she discovered her unique talents and passions. The revelation unfolded like a beautiful tapestry, weaving together her experiences, aspirations, and the positive impact she wished to make in the world. Armed with a newfound purpose, Maya returned to her town, radiating a sense of inner peace and purpose. She shared her journey with others, inspiring them to embark on their quests for purpose and authenticity. Maya's journey taught her that the purpose of life isn't a destination but a continuous, evolving process. By embracing authenticity, following passions, and making a positive impact, Maya discovered a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and meaningful connections. Maya's story is a testament to the transformative power of self-discovery. And her journey inspires others to embark on their own quests for purpose and fulfillment.